Hello Seeking First. For today's product video, we're featuring the iMobile Cam 2C. This camera is perfect for your home, store, or any space you want to keep secure. It's very easy to install and gives you reliable protection. Why is CCTV is important? No? First, it gives you 24/7 monitoring so you can check your property anytime, anywhere. Kahit nasa ibang bansa ka, pwede mo siya ma-view through your phone. Second, it acts a crime deterrent, helping you prevent thief and suspicious activity. Third, it gives you real-time alerts, allowing you to respond quickly. And of course, it gives you peace of mind knowing your family or business is protected. Now, let's check out the key features and specs of the iMobile Cam 2C. Light bulb style camera na siya. Ayan, ganyan po yung kanyang itsura. Easy to installation, no drilling needed. 3MP resolution, clear and sharp footage. Meron na din siyang 360 panoramic view, see the entire area. Ayan, pan and tilt na rin siya. Smart motion detection, detects people movement. Ayan. Human detection na rin siya. Meron din siyang two-way audio talk and listen through the camera. You can talk and listen through this camera, no. Meron na rin siyang full color night vision. Clear view na siya even in low light. Wi-Fi connection na rin siya. Simple and fast setup. You can download iMo app support so you can live view and playback and receive notification through your phone. Yan. Easy to install kasi sinasaksak lang siya through E27 socket. Yan. Para lang po siyang bumbilya, no? If you are looking for discreet but powerful security camera, the iMobile Cam 2C is a great choice. Perfect for your home, perfect for your business. Yan. Send us a message to order and secure your space today.